Welcome back to our channel. In this video, we'll be addressing a frustrating issue that many Windows 10 users encounter: programs taking a long time to open. If you've been experiencing this problem, don't worry, we've got you covered. Let's jump right into the solutions. Solution 1. Step 1. Click on the Start button located at the bottom right-hand corner of your screen. From the Start menu, open the Settings app. Step 2. Once you're in the Settings app, locate and open the Update and Security section. Step 3. In the Update and Security section, choose Windows Security. Step 4. Within Windows Security, select Virus and Threat Protection. Step 5. Finally, click on Quick Scan to initiate a quick scan of your system for any potential threats or issues that might be causing the slow program opening times. Solution 2. Step 1. Close all the programs you have open on your computer. Step 2. Right-click on your desktop and select Refresh from the context menu that appears. By following these steps, you'll be able to address the issue of programs taking a long time to open in Windows 10. These solutions help to ensure that your system is free from potential threats and that you have a clean and optimized environment for program execution. We hope you found this tutorial helpful. If you did, please give this video a thumbs up and consider subscribing to our channel for more helpful tips and tricks to enhance your Windows 10 experience. Thank you for watching, and we'll see you in the next video.